So hello guys, my name is Arnav Nandi and I am now going to give you the demonstration video of the Book Rental CRM project that I have completely built using Salesforce. This is a custom built application designed to streamline the book rental process using Salesforce, and in this video I will walk through you the core features, functionality and key business scenarios that this CRM system handles. So let's come to the point. So the first section will be the objectives of this project. First, let's start by understanding the objectives of this project. The book rental CRM is designed to automate and simplify the book rental process. It manages customer information, handles billing, tracks rental and return dates, and even calculates late fees automatically through the flows or Apex like this. Our key businesses goals are to reduce manual effort, ensure timely returns through automated reminders, and make book rental management easier for businesses. So for the section 2, we'll walk through with the Salesforce features that I have used here. So the core features that I have utilized in this project, like something custom, how to make custom objects, some formula fields, automated workflows, validation rules, some lookup relationships, and Apex triggers are also there to automate the businesses. Now, I want to show you the objects that I have created. So, to view the objects, you need to go to this object manager and search for that object which you want to see. So I want to see the customer object. I will click on this and this will store the information about the customer. And if you click on the field and relationship tab, you will see here the address, customer name, email, and all of these features that I have mentioned here. Okay. Not only that, if you go to some object like book rental or something like this, you can see here some validation rules that I have created. That is due date validated. Due date cannot be before rental date or maximum copy validated. That means you cannot print more than copies that are available. Okay. So these are some validation rules. Now, let's come to the point how you can just create a new book into the Salesforce platform. So to create a new book, you need to first go to the Book Rental CRM application. Now click on the Books tab. Now click on the New. You can see here the author, ISBN, genre, all of these core functionalities or core fields of the book. Just you need to fill this all things here, and you can create books easily. I have created a new book here to kill a mockingbird. Okay. So now I need to create a customer. I have created already a customer. This is the same process also. Just click on this new tab and you can create a new customer object. Now I have created this customer because with his email and membership date and membership status, phone number, all of these things are there. And now let's see something like it has some related fields, book rentals and billing processes. That is the related field objects that are connected to this customer field, and not only that, it can track differently each of the book rental objects, right? So first of all, I will create a book rental object. So click on new, select the customer. I need to select this because thing and this book. Okay, this is the rental date. The default value is today's date, and the due date is also the default value. That is the 7 days later of today's date. Okay, you can change this, but this is the default value. I'll keep it default, and this is the number of books he wants to rent. So I'll select like I have when I have created the book record, I selected like total available copies are 500, right? So I have also created the validation rule that number of books should be less than the total available copies. So I will to check that I will just I will just type 600, that is the greater value, and we should have something like uh, error. Let's see. Yes, we got an error. That is, you cannot rent more than the copies that are available. That is the expected one. So I'm. That means our um, system is working properly. So I will just select number of books as 100 and let's save this. Okay. So this book rental is now created with this Vikas Singh name, and now he rented 100 books. So if you just go to this book, To Kill a Mockingbird, you can see here that total available copies are now decreased, right? 390, because I have available copies of 490, and from that 100 copies are uh, 100 copies are reduced because this customer has something like 10 books, right? So you can also see here that this customer has a billing object also. This is the bill. Okay, so if you click on this bill, you will see that the rental fee is 5,000 rupees, because for rental rupees per book is 50. You can see here rental price per book is 50, and that is why it is showing 5,000. That means our formula is working properly for the rental fee, and the total amount is 5,000. This is also dynamically populating because the field for I have used here the formula field, that is the late fee plus the total amount. Okay, so it is dynamically generating. If there is some late fee, it will automatically add it to the total amount. Okay, so no need to worry about that. And now let's see how these all automated systems are working. Okay, so this is the next section of our CRM project. This is the automated features. One of the most important features of this CRM system is the automation. And for example, we have a workflow that automatically sends a reminder to the customers when their rented books are overdue. You know, this helps reduce the time spent on follow up and ensures that the book are returned on time. Okay, so let's see how the work flows. Okay, so this is the flow that I have created. So this is a record triggered flow in the book rental object. When the book, it will trigger when a record is created or updated. Okay, so that will run immediately and get the customer record. Now it will check the decision if it is renting or returning. If it is renting, then reduce the available copies, and you have already seen that the available copies are being reduced because 490 available copies are there, but after renting the book it has reduced to 390. That means this is working because I have created a update record element. You can see that available copies is going to be the value of available copies variable, right? So the variable is calculating it dynamically. Okay, this is subtracting from the value of this number of books, right? Okay, so now I created the bill. That this is why the bill is creating automatically. Bill is being created automatically. That is the main reason. And we also got send confirmation mail. Okay, so to check the confirmation mail has been sent up to us. Let's see. Okay, see. Your book confirmation to a Kill Mockingbird and Hi Because Singh. This is the name, and it is the renting book, total copies, and total unpaid bill, due date. All of the informations are there, and this is being sent by this flow automatically. Okay. So not only that, if returning the book, okay. So if it is late in return, it will check the decision that it is before due date or after due date. If it is before due date, just increase the available copies, because you need to increase your copies, otherwise it will not show to the profile itself, book profile itself. So increase the available copies and update the billing record, then send the confirmation mail of returning. And for the after due date thing, you need to increase the available copies, then update the available copies, update late fees also, because as it is the after due date, you need to update the late fee also, because that is how it works. The late fee is calculating by the late fee calculator variable, and payment status will be uh, recorded as paid. So if you see here some late fee calculator formula, you can see that I have created this formula to calculate the late fee that will take the rental price per book into 0.3, that is the estimator, and return date minus due date, that is how many days is being overdue by the customer, and the total number of books that are being used for the extra days, plus 500 rupees fine. So this is the main formula to calculate late fee. Okay, so that's how it works. Now if you want to see that late fees are actually working, you need to just go to the book rental system and uh, just create the due date as just do the rental date some days previous. Okay, so I will create 15/10/2024, and the due date will be uh, 16 like this, but I need to do this 10, right? 10, rental date is 10 and due date is like 16, that is one day is being due, right? So if I save this, that means it is going to be change the late fine, right? So uh, okay, so here you can see that yes, uh, now it is now being due. So when the customer comes here and just paid the amount to me, it will be going to be unpaid, right? So I need to just go to the book rental system and uh, change the status to the returned. Okay, because the customer is returning the book today, so it will be returned. And in the flow, if you check that it is returning, how it is going to be checked. This is rented, and for this is returning. Okay, the value will be returned, right? Yeah, sure. So now just the I will change the status to returned, and now due date will be this and return date is today's date. Now save it. If you save it, you can see that status is changed to overdue. That means you have uh, returned the book after the due date, right? So if you now go to the billing process, you will see here that the late fee is 2000 rupees by the help of those fields, formula fields. Okay, so rental fee is 500, 5000, late fee is 2000, and the total amount is 7000, because 5000 plus 2000 is 7000. Okay, and that's how it is working properly. And whenever you are going to return the book, you will see here that you have returned your book, right? 100 copies, your return date is this, you have paid this, and your total fee is including 500 rupees fine is this 2000. So you paid 5000 plus 2000, 7000 total in total. Okay, so these all are the main features of this automated system. Not only that, I have also created an Apex that will automatically send the welcome message to the customers. So if you want to see it, you need to go to the home and just search for, no, not home, sorry, just the developer console. So if you go to the developer console, you will see here that the developer console open up. In the meantime, I will show you something that uh, testing and validation. I have already told you that how these all are working properly. The system runs smoothly that we have implemented. We have also tested unit testing in our software. Not only that, This ensures that everything from billing calculation to overdue reminders works as expected, and emails are also sending. Additionally, the user interface testing has been done to guarantee a seamless experience for the end user. So now I have already told you the total workflow, how it works, how a customer will rent a book and it will generate the rental fee and the number of rental dates, and the return, if it is returning late or not, the late fee calculation, all of these things I have discussed already, and the confirmation mail that has been sent to the customer after confirmation or after giving the payment, all of these things have been done, right? Okay, so now, yes, this is the Apex code for overdue reminder. This is a schedulable class. Okay, so I have created this schedulable class that will check what are the overdue rentals. It will check the due date is less than today's date and return date is null. That means he has not returned the book yet. So it will store into the overdue rentals variable, and then it will check the customer name, book name, due date, and this is the message body that is being shown to the email, and then create the email message to send them the overdue email. That is the schedulable class, right? So I have created this schedulable class using schedule label. You can see here the schedulable jobs, and I have activated this overdue reminder. Okay, so if I manage this, you will see that I have selected the Apex class overdue reminder, and this is the job name, and it will fire every day for that customers who have not been sent us the book or returned us the book. It will throw them the reminder mail at 8 a.m. every day until they return the book. So they will get a clear response of that overdue reminder. Okay, so that's how it works. And not only that, I have also created a welcome message Apex Plus. I have not shown it. So let me open up the developer console again and then open it from here and trigger. This is the trigger that I have created. Okay. So if I click on this, you can see here the when the customer record is being new inserted or the new customer is being generated, then the welcome to our book rental service. This type of welcome message will be sent to their email automatically by this Apex class. So these two are the Apex code that I have used for this application. So these are the core features that I need to share with you. And not only that, I have created also the dashboard and reports section for tracking the book rentals revenue report. Okay, so you can click here the reports, and it will show you the related revenue report that are being generated automatically. Okay, so let me just wait for some time to load it. Okay, I don't know why it is not loading. I think my internet is slow, but uh, okay. So if you click on the dashboard, you will see a dashboard. Yeah, that is the data analytics dashboard that is being generated automatically by the Salesforce. I think the server is down because it is taking so much time to fire up. But yeah, I have done these all features that will show you the basic details, or you will get a basic knowledge of your revenue report through these dashboards or reports. And that's how I created this whole object or whole CRM system. So This application will help you for your book rentals business to manage your operations efficiently and ensure your smoother process. If you would like to learn more, and feel free to check your you want to check the whole process, how it is working, or what is the main features, all of this thing, you will just check this documentation here. I'll create a link for this documentation and I'll paste it to the GitHub repository. You will check the GitHub repository also to access this documentation link. You will see here each and every key points for related to this Salesforce CRM system. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and that's all about my project. Thank you.